Hey guys, I'm Country Garcia and we are in Scotland and I'm so excited to be here. I'm with Gabriel, and Gabriel, we have this awesome, beautiful Ferrari right behind us. Can you please tell us a little bit about this Ferrari?
So this one has 22-inch Vossen rims and it's lowered.
Did this come with the car?
No.
So how did we get a hold of these rims? These got shipped?
From Miami.
From Miami?
Yep.
Man, you guys are doing it on another level. I would love to hear how this car sounds. Can you start it up for us?
Of course.
Oh man! So what's one of your favorite features on this car?
That's a convertible.
It's a convertible. Oh man! It's like Transformers right here. Just everything is just changing up as we go. Oh wow. This is a machine. How much horsepower is in this Ferrari?
789 horsepower.
789 horsepower?
Yeah.
And they have the horse to really show that it has a lot of horsepower in it. We have my buddy Josh that's here right now. We're so excited to have him over here from Florida, from Naples, Florida. So he came about the Scotland tour. So he just received this car. Well, I'm so excited for you to be here.
Yeah, man, me too.
Are you ready to have a good time?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Post rally hasn't even started, and it's a lot of trust right now putting in these cars to go to our destination where we're kicking off our rally. We have the Lamborghini on top, and then you have these hydraulics, and then you have the Bugatti on the bottom with nothing. Oh, I just think worst case scenario, this doesn't look too good, but there must be a lot of trust in this system here. Well, we're here in Scotland. Let's go have a good time.
Yeah, all this money on me. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me.
Hey, yeah, man, how you feel like a man with that? I tell no little real, I stay true to that. Hey, no, man, how you feel like a man?
What am I at the very top of that? Is that they have sheep and things up in that area?
Sheep.
There?
There's cows up there. That's Ballock Castle that you can see at the top.
Yes. Gorgeous.
So this is the sort of
Stunning.
This is really the start of the Highlands.
beginning of it.
Yeah.
And this is the start of the Highlands, what they call Highlands.
Yeah.
It's so hard for me to focus because
You're driving.
I'm driving, and it just feels so weird being on the opposite side. First time I ever driven a car, like on the opposite side, like on the right side. So just getting used to it. But then when we got on the road and everyone was doing, I don't want to say how fast, but we were going fast. And I was just like, where you guys at? I was like, where you guys at? And no, but it was a beautiful ride. Yeah, it was fun. All right, we stopped over here at Bay Marina.
Cash rolls all around me.
This is the perfect bridge. If someone owed you some money or someone like, this is the way you grab a hold of them and go, hey man, hey, get in. Bridge and no rails. This is what we're doing right now. We're taking a daring step right here. So my understanding, this is the beginning of the Highlands.
Yep, this is it. You're at the legendary Loch Lomond on a nice overcast Scottish morning.
Tell me, you said something really interesting. The guy who delivers mail, he delivers it on a boat.
On a little boat, yep.
Just imagine that.
Yep.
You don't hear things like that,
no.
you know. Like, hey man, the boat's late. Well, I ain't got my mail.
There's also a nudist island as well somewhere here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my place. No, why are we not there? I have to say, like, it's supposed to be summertime. It ain't no summertime right now. And they said, try this ice cream. Who think the ice cream this cold in summer? Now the door whisper goes. Ready? You ready?
Yeah, go get it. Go get it.
All right, right here. Hey, sir. Beautiful car. What do you do for a living?
I drive cars.
You drive cars? Man, I got to start learning how to do that. It's a job in driving cars? We're at our first location where we're gonna kick off our rally. The roads in Scotland, I mean, unbelievable, but we were going through this particular section where the roads just started winding, like through the mountain. And let me just show you what ended up happening. Now we have a lot of supercars. We ain't got a lot of super tires. So if you look here, hit a pothole and also gash the side of the tire right here. Thank God everything is okay and we're moving good, but what's sad about it is the back tire also is damaged. And this one right here is the back tire got hit up, but look right here. And also the tire right here. We haven't even started our rally. Well, I don't mean to laugh, but I'm nervous and these roads are like intense but super fun, but we also got to be careful. But we're excited we got here safe and we're ready to kick off this rally and we're ready to order some new tires. I can't tell you right now how excited I am just to see this view. This is like straight out of a movie. Look at this. Look at this rainbow just coming off the top of this mountain, coming all the way down into the water. Have you seen something so beautiful? Unbelievable. Is this normal? This rainbow always coming out?
So let's try this. To make this fair, you shuffle them. If you shuffle these cards, there's nothing I can do with them. Now, if anybody said to me, I bet you've got identical merit, you could look at your deck of cards and know the entire deck order, it would be impossible. So my job is to let you pick any card you wish. I'm going to get you to say stop on any card. Okay. You're going to remember that card. Okay. You're going to hide it. I'm going to hide the deck. I'm not even going to look. You guys are going to make sure I'm not looking this entire time. You're going to say stop. Stop. That card there, do not let me see it. You take that card. I will hide these cards in my pocket. You remember that card. Have you got that card in your mind? And hide the card. When you've done that, let me know. The reason why I do that is people always think there's a mark on the back of a card. So if I'm looking away, there's not physical possible. And this is the only thing in my routine that can physically go wrong because I'm going to try and read your mind. I don't believe in mind reading. I never have done. But I believe in that you can watch people's facial expressions and you're going to know what the card is. And I think this might work with yourself. Just think of the color. If it's red or black, just think of the color. When I said red, you nearly smiled because you thought I got it wrong, which means it's a black card. Is that correct? Yeah. It's a black card. Perfect. Now to make this even easier for myself, can you think of the number? Have you got the number in mind? That's made it easier for me because I know there's not ace, jack, queen, king because you said it's a number card. You've already told me it's a number card, which makes my life easier. Now if you had to guess, would you go with a spade or would you go with a club? What do you think it is? A spade, okay, so we'll go with the spade, I'll trust you. And it's a number card, so just think if it's low or think if it's high. Now think of the opposite. That confused you because you were high and you went low. That means I know it is a 6, 7, 8, 9. Would you go 6, 7, 8 or 9? What would you go? 7. Let me think, let me go. Nope, it's the 8 of spades, is that correct? Is it the 8 of spades? Have I got it right?
Oh. Dude, you're the real deal, man. You are the real deal. How can people? Do you have a YouTube channel?
Facebook. So if you check out Cameron Young Magic. Yeah.
Cameron Young Magic. Just go check him out, and I mean, it's the real deal. But thank you so much for entertaining us, man. You're amazing. All right. Very much. All right. Take care. Let me make sure I still got my wallet on me. Make sure I got everything else. Okay. I'm good to bracelets on. I'm good to go.